Okay, here is our math video today for our quick quiz. We're going to be doing 611 math quick quiz today. Going to open it up here to take a look. And you're going to see that it's 5 questions today. One of the reasons why we're doing 5 questions today is to really gear up and prepare for our unit test that we're going to be taking next week. These are just a few more questions just to kind of really get us thinking about these different kinds of word problems. And I'm actually going to go to the preview view so you can just see what these are going to look like. So for question number 1, that says there were 18 children at the playground. Then 7 more children came. Then 9 children left. How many children are at the playground now? So what you need to do is what I really recommend is you're going through a lot of these problems. Either think about them like with pictures or just do bit by bit equations. So for like this first one, I know that there's 18 children at the park. Then 7 children more came. So I would stop there. So for me, I would just be doing that in pieces. So I'm just going to use some different numbers. So let's say there were 16 kids, and then it said, let's pretend 5 more came. Well, I would do that part first then. 16 plus 5 is 21. And then, when I go back to the problem, then it says the 9 children left. So then how many children are at the playground? So if you do a couple of equations like that, because I would use my first answer then for the second part, that will help you as you're trying to do these multi-step problems. Question 2 says, last week, Ida did 8 push-ups for 5 days. Then she did 12 push-ups on the last day. How many push-ups did Ida do? So this is where I'm going to look at that last step question. It says, how many push-ups did Ida do? Well, on the last day she did 12, but it said on the first 5 she did 8. So I have to think, okay, well, before I can use that 12, what do I have to do first? So it's going back to trying to figure out, okay, what is my first step question? Okay, once I have my first step question answered, I can use the next part of information to get that last step of how many did she do, which is really trying to figure out how many did she do total. Number 3, Rafi's pet sits when his neighbors go on vacation. He takes care of 5 dogs, 9 fish, and some cats. He takes care of 19 pets in all. How many pets does he take care of? Well, I already know what my total is. So one way to think about this is, I kind of think of like a math mountain. Up here I have my total. And so they already told us how many pets he has total. They also told us some other pieces of information, which would be a part. And that was, we actually gave us a number for one of the parts, gave us a number for one of the other parts, but one of the other parts, though, was an unknown. Now, one way to think about this is you can do part plus a part plus a part equals a total, but if you're missing one of those pieces, well, you are going to have to do something probably with these 2 parts. Then if I can't do a part plus a part plus a part to get my total, the reverse opposite of addition is subtraction. So I'm going to use something with my total and the parts that I know to help me with that answer. Number 4, I had 24 comic books in a stack, and I added 4 more. After I put the comics into 7 boxes, after that, I put the comics into 7 boxes with an equal amount in each box. How many comics are in each box? So again, my last step question is how many comics are in each box? So I split them up into 7 boxes, but I first need to figure out, okay, what's my first step question? What do I need to do first? Once I have my first step question answered, then I can do that second step. And then question 5, Kate had 36 apples. She used 12 to make applesauce. She used the rest to make pies. She put 4 apples in each pie. How many pies did Kate make? Ooh. So my last step question says, how many pies did Kate make? Well, first I need to figure out, there's a part I need to figure out first. Because it says she had 36, she used 12 to make applesauce, the rest to make pies. Okay, well, I wonder how many, I think I know what my first step question is. Once I answer my first step question, I can use that to split them into I can use that, and I'm going to put 4 apples in each pie to help me with that last one. You might want to use paper, Notability, explain everything just to jot down, draw pictures, do your work, because some of these would be a little bit trickier to do in your head. But yeah, just have fun showing off. You're good math thinking. Bye.